Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect your Squarespace domain to Odoo. So this is really quick and easy, especially if you do have the full version of the website and you are using the correct version. So yeah, what you will do is log into your Odoo and then you will go to the website section and then click configuration and then you will see domains if it is available for you, and then you will just have to click your existing domain or click connect existing domain, and then of course select your domain and then enter your Squarespace domain. And after that, log into your Squarespace account, and basically what you will do is you will go to your settings and then you will click domain, and then you will select your domain and then DNS settings, and then you will just have to add or update a record to point to your Odoo server IP, and then you will just have to add CNAME for for subdomains if needed. And finally, return to your Odoo again, and you will just have to click verify domain. And once you're verified, your website is live and using the Squarespace domain. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.